Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today's recipe is very interesting and it's very easy. It is roasted potatoes with bacon. So now some oil in the pan. So now we're going to fry some bacon. The bacon has become crispy, we're going to take it off the flame. Baby potatoes baked at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. In the bacon fat, you will add chopped garlic. Once the garlic has toasted brown, so now we have added tomato puree. We're going to let the tomato puree and the garlic cook for a bit. In this we will add salt, some pepper, and some fresh parsley. Mix this all together. Once that is done, I'm going to add in the baby potatoes, the bacon, and give it a good stir. And done. Now on this, we're going to add our final ingredient, Parmesan cheese. Add on top just some fresh parsley. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I have a feeling that you will try this at home because it is so easy and so delicious. So don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I will see you in another episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you all are going to take care. Bye. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today is a very exciting episode because in one episode I'm going to show you 3 easy and different ways to use mayonnaise. First mayo goes in the bowl. Then add in a touch of ketchup and then doses of Tabasco. And now I'm just going to mix it in quickly. Dip number 1 is ready. Moving on to dip number 2. For this, take another bowl. What you need is mayo, some mustard and some honey. First, what you're going to do is you're going to put in some mustard, then to which I'm going to add just like about a teaspoon of honey. Once the honey and the mustard have mixed in, throw in your mayonnaise. And mix that in. That's right. And now you've got honey mustard mayonnaise, which is dip number 2. Honey mustard mayonnaise. To the last and the final one, for which we will take some boiled chicken. So I have here some boiled chicken breast, which I am just going to chop up quickly. Once my chicken is chopped, I am keeping all my chicken on this plate, all my chicken. To which I'm going to add mayonnaise. I am adding to this some garlic powder. Now I'm just going to mix this together, the mayo garlic seasoning and the chicken. The garlic seasoning that I've added also contains chili and salt. So you might want to add that if yours or if your seasoning does not contain those things. Once this is done, I'm going to leave this aside. Then in a pan, I am going to add in chopped onions because I want to caramelize these onions. Toss this around. While the onions are happening, I'm going to slice up the bread. Once the onions start sweating, just add in some balsamic vinegar and add in some sugar. Onions are almost caramelized. So now I'm just going to put this off the heat and start the plating. So first on this sliced bread will go in the chicken, mayo and garlic powder. Once I've added this, I'm just going to throw in some more garlic powder on top for extra flavor. Because remember, we haven't really added salt in this. But then I didn't want to add salt because I'm adding the garlic powder. But if you feel like that the salt is less, please go ahead and add salt and pepper. My garlic seasoning has all of it, which is why I did not add anything on top. On top of that, I'm going to add these caramelized onions. And now on top of this, just some Parmesan cheese. I have given you 3 easy and different ways to use mayonnaise. First up, we had the ketchup Tabasco mayonnaise dip. Second up, we had the honey mustard mayonnaise dip. And the third one, we had this little bruschetta with mayo chicken garlic powder, caramelized onions and Parmesan cheese. So hope you enjoyed this video, and what this tells you is that don't feel scared to experiment with food. It's fine, you may not get it right all the time, but there's no harm in trying new things. On that note, we're going to end this episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more Desi Bites videos coming your way. Till then, like, subscribe and comment. We'll see you soon in another episode. Take care.